Hi all, it's Jay Lee here. Welcome to another one of my product reviews, and today we are going to have a look at the Evergreen system. Hi all, my name is Jay Lee and welcome to my review of the Evergreen system. Now, I'm a little bit biased on this one because this is my own product that I'm actually reviewing together with my JV partner Tobias Brown. We have actually brought this product to you. It's a training product, as you can actually see within the members area at the moment. This is all about rejuvenating your old affiliate links as well as your new affiliate links that you may have left ages and ages ago, and you've tried to do something with it and have not earned an awful lot of money or no money at all, and kind of like given up on it really. So this gives you the opportunity of how to actually rejuvenate those actual affiliate links through the training that you actually get from us, and showing you how to then get $100+ days, $100+ days, through actually doing this rejuvenation of the affiliate links. So that's what it's all about for you, and it's a complete system that we've actually pieced together, and we've actually been trying this for over 9 months now actually, as we've been trying to tweak it to make it a lot better for you guys to actually then be able to benefit from this one. So it's very good for newbies, very good for intermediate and seasoned marketers as well, and it works in any niche. So if you're an e-commerce person, this will work for you. If you're into affiliate marketing, it will most definitely work for you, and other type of niches as well that you can actually use for it. So this is where you go to when you actually sign up for the actual course. Now I'm going to show you the Pro version because the Pro version has some extra tips and tricks, videos that we've actually recorded in here, so to make it a little bit more better and easier and more professional for you to actually then earn some more money. So it's just helping to build your brand and make things a bit more efficient for you. So the first things you'll actually get is the section where it's the welcome message from myself, a welcome message from Toby, and a welcome message from and an introduction to the Evergreen system and what it's all about. Then you'll actually go through to the main training section, which is here, where you go through all these different training videos teaching you the tools that you need, how to actually record review videos, editing them, uploading them to YouTube, which Evergreen products to actually choose to actually promote, how to get link approval techniques, what the promotion platforms actually are, finding your product to actually promote as well, and looking into that. And then of course you've got a tools and resources section where you can actually get your hands on all these different tools and resources. Now the way we've actually done it is we've tried to keep it down to free products for actually doing this for you. So we have alternatives. However, there are certain products in here, like Commission Gorilla, for example, where you're doing your bonus pages from, you would actually need to pay for to be able to do it. An autoresponder as well, you'd actually have to pay for per month. Canva itself is actually free, but if you want to actually benefit from this, then it's suggested to go for the Pro version as well. So some of these may actually cost you money in the long run that you should really invest in to help you out, but they're not too much, for each of these. Some of these are one-time offers, like the Wondershare Uni Converter 1 year, but there is a free one that we actually show you, an alternative version as well. So we do try to show you free alternatives to get you started, and then once you're actually earning money, you can then work your way up to the actual paid tools and resources as well. And then there's a conclusion. This is where the Pro section is all about, with the actual additional videos. And then there's our bonuses that we actually give you in the free in the members area here as well. And then there's the upgrades going through the funnel as well. Then I've got some unadvertised bonuses and some special training that we've actually got in here for you that can help scale up your product in your income following this actual training system here as well. So what you just do is you just click on a section like this, and it takes you through into the actual video here. We've left it not automated to be played because the actual volume itself starts off as a low volume, so you just need to hit the play button there, and then it goes on and actually then plays the video for you as well. And then it teaches you a little bit of information about what that actual module lesson is all about, and if there's any links in there you can actually then click on those as well. So there's my link to the YouTube channel, there's my link to my Facebook community page, Town, the online wealth network as I call it as well. So that's in section 1. You can always go back to the welcome area here, and then afterwards you can actually go to the categories, and then once you've gone through the training it will automatically go to the next section anyway, and so you can then go through into the main training, and then from the main training there you can then go through and access all the different training ones that are in this section through the right hand side here and go through those. For example, this lesson is teaching you all about Munchai, and then you can actually click here to actually go to Munchai as well. So that's really what you're actually getting within the Evergreen system. Now the Pro version, as I say, is one of the upsells. It's well worth actually getting this because this gives you some additional bonuses, tips and tricks to be able to then get your own review videos branded properly, recorded properly, edited properly, and put you in good stead for when you're actually then going to change this into an Evergreen product if you're doing some cases of launch jacking on new ones as well. So it teaches you all about those. It gives you the links to the tools that you can actually use to do your intros and outros with. All optional. You don't have to actually buy these, but this gives you the tips and tricks of being able to do your intros and outros, your transition tricks in there as well, your video outro as we just mentioned, and then there's a faster and more efficient way of actually doing that for recording your videos as well. That's included within here. So that's really what you're actually getting within our product that we pieced together. So say nothing is left out. It's all step by step. Start from the top and work your way all the way through the bottom. It takes you through from finding your products all the way through to then uploading those and then promoting those as well. And it gives you all the tools that you actually need within it. It gives you some exciting bonuses that will help you on your way as well as and then you'll be able to do some done for you upsells, etc. through that as well, as well as some advertised bonuses as well, which is in the pack. In the front end, the standard version of the Evergreen system, you get all of this. The only thing that you don't get is obviously the Pro videos as well, which is one of the upsells that you can actually get. Well worth actually getting the upsells as well. Now, if you're actually quite interested in that, then I'm actually launching this with my partner Tobias Brown actually on June the 8th, which is this coming Tuesday at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, which is around about 1 PM UK time at the moment. Okay, so if you're in the UK, that's the sort of like timescales for it there. So this video here on my bonus page, you can actually access this bonus page just at the top of the description just below this video. It's the bonuscrate.com one link that you actually see there. Just click on that, it'll come to here. And this video coming soon is this actual review video, and I'll post it here once I've actually recorded it and edited it and then just put it up there as well. Okay, and then you can click here, and you can also click on any of these buttons here, and this will take you through to the sales page, which you see here. And then once these buttons become active, which is in 47 hours and 36 minutes time, i.e. Tuesday 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, then you'll be able to actually purchase it. So at the moment you won't be able to actually purchase it, although you can actually put your name down for it, ready for it, so when it actually goes activated you'll be able to purchase it there and then for you as well. So okay, so again on my bonus page I take you through why you would like to actually need the Evergreen system, what it is, my prices and upsells, including the downsells as well here for you, which you actually go through on the funnel, the benefits that you're actually getting, and you get a complete 30-day money back guarantee on this as well for you. So you can try it for the full 30 days, and then after that on the 30th day you can actually get a refund if you don't actually like it. On day 31 though, unfortunately unfortunately it's expired, so don't do it on day 31 if you are looking at doing that. It has to be within the 30 days. Okay. Then these are the actual bonuses, additional bonuses. So you've got 8 bonuses already in the membership area that you're getting from us that are gifts to us for you, and as a thank you for purchasing the Evergreen system. But if you actually purchase through my link directly, you'll also get these, which is my exclusive bundle bonus package that I've pieced together for you to give you yet even more bonuses. So the first one I've actually got is an introduction to affiliate marketing. So if you're not really sure what affiliate marketing is all about, then you need to understand what the basics are, why you should do it, and what the potentials are from you. Then this actual bonus here will actually teach you all that as well. It's actually presented by my mentor John Armstrong, so that should help you as well, who's a super affiliate earning $300,000 a month at the moment doing exactly this. Bonus number 2 is how to build a buyers list the easy way. So one of the things that you actually need to do is, as they say, the money is in the list. So if you're actually promoting a lot of offers using what you've learnt in the Evergreen system for your existing old affiliate links as well as your new ones, you can use a system for both of those. Then one of the things you need to do is build up a buyers list. Now, buyers lists are people who actually purchase products from you and actually trust you as well, so they're likely to actually buy from you again. So the way to actually do that is in this actual particular bonus here that teaches you how to do that. Bonus number 3, if you're using email systems, for example, is how to write headlines, subject lines that sell. So this is a course that you will get that teaches you how to do just that, to actually enable you to captivate your audience and get them to actually then go to your promotional offers, your affiliate links, and then actually purchase the product from you. Bonus number 4 is 10 times commissions, the secret to $10,000 per month in your spare time by Brendan May. So this is a nice great course actually that teaches you how to actually scale up what you're actually learning within the Evergreen system. You can actually apply this and scale this up as well, so that will teach you how to do that. And then of course you have access to all my bonuses once you actually purchase the Evergreen system, which are in the members area as you've seen earlier. But wait, I've got one more for you, which is a mystery bonus. This is a high ticket course that we're actually giving away for free in our exclusive bonus bundle pack for you, exclusive to my bonus bundle pack only. And it's as I say, it's a high ticket course that teaches you other methods, complete training that you can actually do to actually then increase your sales yet again as well. So taking it to the next level, if you like, of what you're actually being taught within the Evergreen system. So that is my bonus bundle package that I pieced together as well for my product, the Evergreen system. So you're getting yet more products as well, just to encourage you to actually purchase as well through my link. So I hope you've actually enjoyed this review of the Evergreen system. I've tried not to be as biased as possible and give you all the information that you have from this actual product. So if you have liked this actual review video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, hitting the subscribe button just below this video. Also, please do like and share this video because it helps with the YouTube algorithms, and also it allows other people to actually see what the Evergreen system is all about and whether or not it's right for them. Also, hit that notification button to be alerted as when I'm actually uploading other product review videos or value videos as well into my YouTube channel. So once again, thank you so much for actually watching this product review of the Evergreen system, and we will see you again next time.